Hey, how's it going? So what I'm going to do really quick, we're going to do a super quick, hopefully under 5-minute video here on how to download and install the Notepad++ to do any editing you might need for farm sim, trucking sim, whatever kind of mods you do. Okay, so let's just get right into it real quick. So we're going to go to this screen here. Don't mind the music here. So right now I'm using Edge, so we're going to use Bing. This is Notepad. I'm on the wrong keyboard. Duh. Notepad++. It's all I'm typing in. Boom. There it is. Notepad++.org. Download. I myself did the 8.8 is the first one I did. And when I installed this program, it actually asked me to, if I wanted to like update it, so I did the update. Once it's downloaded and you just literally click run on it, it will look something like this, Notepad++. So I got the Era Scout, the vehicle that we were working on in Farm Sim, in here still. But it is an XML document runner, so this is what you'd run and edit your things. If it does come up and says it wants to update, feel free to update. I like to update things. You don't have to. It's not going to change the end of the world. And the world's going to still come. So if that's what you want, that's how you edit your files and do that kind of stuff. It's super easy. It's free. Lots of people use it. So just make sure you get that installed if you are planning on doing any modding of already existing mods in Farm Sim, Truck Sim, that kind of stuff. Notepad can help. If you have Notepad, mine's a little buggy on my computer, so that's what I use. Hopefully that's helpful to anyone that needs Notepad++ and how to install it. Super easy. I'll put a link in the description on the YouTube channel as well, so you can get that just by press of the button, and that should be it. Hope everyone has a fantastic rest of your day or your night or whatever time of the day you're in, and I hope you all hit that like and subscribe button. I hope it is helpful. If you have any questions, just leave something in the comments, and hopefully I will get back to you in a short manner of time. Thank you. Appreciate you. Catch me on Twitch as well at the ElmerFud09. We'll get some gaming in. All right? Have a good one.